Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to another video. So what I want to do today mainly is to organize our refrigerator, because it has been a long time coming and I can't really remember the last time I did that. And for cleaning, I did do that yesterday because I could not manage to clean and organize the same day because I still had to go out to purchase the items that I needed. So what I want to do today is to just put away the items that I got, disinfect, then put away. So guys, I realized later on while editing this video that I had lost some parts of the introduction, but anyway, what I want to do now is to start by removing the items that are in the refrigerator before I start cleaning the whole thing.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight.
Now that I'm done cleaning the organizers, I want to leave them on the countertop to air dry before I put them back.
I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't.
To clean the inside of the refrigerator, I will use dishwashing soap plus vinegar to just wipe down the surfaces. So guys, these are all that I came with from the supermarket and the market. So what I want to do is put away each and every item in its specific place, then refrigerate the ones that are supposed to. So guys, now that I'm done cleaning the fruits and the vegetables, I want to store everything away in their respective places. So guys, that's it for me today, and thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. I will highly appreciate it. Please tell me what you think of this organization in the comment section. I will highly appreciate it.